In the last episode, we saw how cancer begins. One normal cell breaks the rules, changes its identity, and quietly slips past the immune system. But hiding is only the first step. Today's question is the one that follows naturally. What happens next? How does a single unnoticed cell grow, adapt, and slowly take control? To understand that, we need to go back even further, to the instructions that made the cell in the first place. Every cell in your body runs on instructions. The same ones you were born with. The same ones I was born with. We call them DNA. You can think of DNA as a manual, a set of rules that tells a cell when to grow, when to rest, and when to stop. Most of the time, these instructions work incredibly well. But no manual which is copied billions of times is ever perfect. Imagine following a recipe that's been photocopied again and again. Most copies are fine, but some have smudges, some lose a line or a sentence. And once in a while, one missing instruction changes the outcome and the flavor completely. Not because anyone intended it, but because copying at such large scale always introduces small errors. Cells are no different. At birth, we're all given the same building blocks, the same manual, the same chemical letters. What changes is how those letters are read. Most changes are harmless, many are corrected, some are ignored, and very rarely. A change alters how a cell understands its role. That's when confusion begins. A confused cell isn't dangerous yet. It doesn't know it's doing anything wrong. It simply follows a slightly altered set of rules. And when the old rules stop working, the cell does what all life does under pressure. It adapts. So now, imagine you are that cell. You are different, but you don't feel evil. The environment feels stressful. The signals around you don't make sense anymore. And like any living thing, you want the basics such as food, water, oxygen, shelter, and warmth. You're not trying to take over the body. You're trying to stay alive. So you change how you get energy. You burn fuel faster. You ask for more oxygen. You signal for new blood vessels. You reshape the space around you until it fits your needs. Not because it's right, but because survival has become the only rule left. This is survival of the fittest, not the strongest, but the most adaptable. This doesn't make cancer good, and it doesn't justify the damage it causes. But understanding cancer means facing something uncomfortable. If you were that cell, with broken instructions and survival as your only goal, you might do the same. Cancer is not intelligent. It doesn't plan, it reacts. So this is only one side of the story, and in a small area inside us. How a single cell, with altered instructions, learns to survive, adapt, and slowly take over its surroundings. In the upcoming episodes, we'll keep unpacking these layers. But in the very next episode, we'll shift perspective. Because while these cells are quietly expanding, something else is happening at the same time. What are our immune cells, the body's patrollers, its security system, doing? What do they see? What signals do they miss? And how does such a powerful defense slowly fail to stop the takeover? That's episode 3, the story from the other side of the battlefield. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more simplified and relatable science.